Do you know what I believe you can build on a strong foundation? Anything you want. A new skill, a new mindset, genuine confidence with AI, whether you're just starting out or ready to use it more effectively. AI may be completely new to you, but learning it doesn't have to feel overwhelming. You can start right where you are. And with the right kind of support, you'll discover how quickly everything can click into place. I'll show you how to use tools like ChatGPT in everyday life and explain why these approaches work to write, organize, create, and problem solve, all from a solid foundation. Welcome to the Everyday AI Guide channel. My name is Andreas, and I'm going to show you what AI can do, what it can't, and why that matters so you can stop avoiding it and start building with it. I spent 14 years in corporate sales, then built a web design company from the ground up. That journey taught me things I've carried with me for over 20 years. You really can build anything on a strong foundation. I also learned how to make sense of complex things, how to communicate with people, and how to keep growing as tools changed and evolved. Along the way, I discovered I loved sharing what I'd learned with others. When AI tools like ChatGPT emerged, I started noticing small breakthroughs everywhere, like writing tasks that used to take me an hour could be shortened to maybe 20 minutes. Or the time I planned the trip to Texas for 9 days of pickleball training. I was traveling to San Antonio, Austin, and Houston to train with a few pros. I'd never been to any of these cities and needed to figure out where to stay in each one. I wanted to stay somewhere convenient to my training sessions while still being able to explore the downtown restaurant scenes without spending half my time in traffic. So I asked ChatGPT about neighborhoods, traffic patterns, and the best areas to stay. Through that conversation, I learned enough to make decisions about where to stay in each city that maximized my training time and minimized my travel time. So what could be possible for you? Maybe you have a project sitting on your desk that you keep avoiding. Maybe you need to write something really important, but you can't find the right words. AI can help you break through those stuck moments and help you get these things done. And you don't need to become a coder or prompt engineer to make it happen. So I'm bringing everything I've learned and will continue to learn to help you either begin using AI or start using it more effectively. That is essentially what I hope to accomplish with this channel. I hope you subscribe, and let's learn what's possible.